I think we hit the glue jackpot. Let's open bin number 38. Oh my gosh. I hope this stuff is still good. This is from an 80-year-old lady's collection of craft supplies that we recently purchased. My name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin in Tampa Bay, Florida. And oh my gosh, I really hope this stuff is still good. We've got some Mod Podge still sealed, some Aleene's tacky glue. There is, oh my gosh, some outdoor matte sealer from Plaid. This is like the medium jackpot, seriously. There's some Liquitex extender medium and some triple thick brilliant brush on gloss glaze. I have a feeling I'm not even gonna know what most of this is used for. There's some accent adhesive for foil and accent. That is pretty interesting. I'm gonna try to look for some dates because some of these have dated back pretty far. Like this one, look, 1990, April of 1990 from Michaels. It was $1.79. The camera does pick it up. Look at that discoloration. Unfortunately, there's no real good way to test these, so what we're going to end up doing is just putting them for sale and let our customers test them, and they can decide if it's good enough for them to take home or not. We'll make sure to make them cheap to make up for it. This is a water-based white. I'm not sure. Water cleanup, 2-hour dry. Shake well. There is a crystal clear glaze, a Liquitex slow dry blending fluid medium. So I imagine a lot of this is going to be good for card making and scrapbooking. And then also a lot's going to be good for painting and I don't know what else. This is a glaze base for acrylic paint color by Delta Cream Co. I'm willing to bet some of these brands don't even exist anymore. This one's from 2006. Some decoupage medium. We've got crackle finish, collage page, instant decoupage glossy. Oh my gosh, I actually might want to play with a few of these. Some fashion show, picture this, transfer medium for fabric, faux easy base coat in white, base coat by Anita's, some Elmer's Craft Bond fabric stiffener. This is super interesting. Another fabric stiffener. What the heck does that do? Aleene's 2-in-1. That's a really cute bottle though. I like some of this old packaging. Like this is plaid and it has some really pretty flowers. This one was from a salvage. Duluth. I don't even know what this is. Decoupage finish. Enhancers gloss varnish, starlight varnish, a glittering varnish. Ooh, I hope that one is still good. Some Elmer's glue. Oh, there's glitter. I love my shiny, although it's seen better days. There's some glitter in there, more varnishes, more Elmer's. That is a big bottle of Elmer's glue. Some foiling glue, ornament glue for dazzling decorations, and some tack it over and over. Oh, I did keep one of these. I forgot what it was for, but I did keep one to play with. Tombow multi-liquid glue. Ooh, wait, this one I might want because I've been looking for like a really thin one that I can use to kind of add glue to the back of like small sentiments for greeting cards. This one is a craft tacky glue, also has a nice thin applicator. Folk Art Gloss Sealant and Brilliant, Quick Dry Tacky Glue by Aleene's. I'm just in awe. There is like, we talked about there being a pair of scissors for everything, and rulers. We came across like 20 different types of rulers, which I didn't even know existed. And now we can see there is a glue or an adhesive for literally everything. This is well bound. It would help if I read the English side. More than great glue for wood, tile, glass, and much more. JP Coats crochet thread stiffener. Does that just make it like easier to thread? That's acrylic paint. I don't think that's good anymore. It's pretty watery. An enhancer for satin varnish and glitter glue for fabric. It actually has glitter in it. There's a brand called Glitter Glue that's not actually glitter that a lot of card makers use. Delta Cream Coat Fine Crackle Finish. Oh, that's cool. So whatever you apply that to gets like this kind of crackly effect. I don't know if y'all remember, there was some nail polish that used to do that when I was growing up. You would just like put this coat over your regular nail polish. It would give it like a crackle effect. Every time I see those, that's what it reminds me of. This definitely has seen better days. Oh my gosh, the Mod Podge is literally stuck to the little container it's in, but we've got fabric Mod Podge, matte Mod Podge and gloss Mod Podge. I don't have the fabric one, but I have the other two that I use a lot, especially for my art journaling. And it looks like one more before we see what else is in here. A gloss varnish. All right. So we have some other stuff in this bin as well, including some cocktail napkins, great for decoupaging. Maybe we'll call this the decoupage bin. Something is leaking on that. Hold on. All right, so we've got some stencils, heart within a heart border or stripping stencil. That's pretty interesting. And ooh, this is some sort of template for making your own tags, gift tags for any occasion. Oh, it's meant to be used with paper making supplies. Oh, that's super cool. So you can either pour or dip hand molds or use as a template fit between the paper making screen and wood frame. What? How neat is that? Who would have thought? Speaking of neat, look what I found buried at the bottom. It is Bob here to say hello to everybody. Bob always winding up in these sticky situations. See what I did there? All right, what is this? Oh, this looks like embossing. My list coming in full force. Ultra thick platinum embossing powder, ultra thick gold, and ultra thick clear. Ooh, we've got some fun stuff down here. There is a set of paint brushes from Ross, and this is all, it looks like colored pencils. Definitely, this rubber band has seen better days, but there, what else is in here? Hold on. More brushes, some little palette knives, straws, which was probably used for like flowing alcohol ink. Oh, we've got some of these like metallic painter pens by Sharpie, some stenciling brushes. We found a whole lot of those in the last couple of bins. Ooh, that's a really nice paintbrush. Couple of those in here, and just more palette knives and colored pencils. This just has a few little containers in here. It's like a container of containers. I kept some of these last time for some of my like pearlescent powders, so that's really cool. There is some more embossing powder here. We got red and green for Christmas, which was her favorite holiday. We found a lot of Christmas stuff. I swear we found one of these jars before from Gelato, definitely repurposed to carry these little tiny itty bitty foam balls. I think that's double-sided. Oh, and this is that art glitter glue I was talking about. This is like, it's a metal tip, and then it has like a little, I don't know if you can see it, like a little pin. I have one of these. I use it to help unclog my liquid pearls and things like that. But it's meant to unclog glue. Bark wood roll and cherry wood sheets. Huh. It looks like you can cover journals, fit for greeting cards and such. I'm not going to open it because it's sealed, but yeah, it's just a roll of thin wood paper, I guess. And this looks exciting. What is in here? Ooh, looks like some different embellishments. Oh, look at that. Look at the owl card. How freaking adorable. It's from Dollar Tree, so it's not handmade, but still fun to see. Aw, some dino stickers and doggies. More dinosaurs here. Some little frog bath toys. I wonder if that was meant for crafting or just some toys that got mixed up in here. Ooh, I'm gonna hang on to these because I'm always looking for really cute focal points, especially birdies. Well, maybe not all of them, but I'll keep some of them. Butterflies, and yeah, these are super cute. Will be great for greeting card making. Aw, some little feathers, more feathers, some foam letters, poster letters. Oh, and some chipboard letters as well. Well, that was a really interesting bin. Lots of different stuff, mostly glues. It's all part of the craft treasure hunt. Make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss that next unbinning. We've got 50 bins in total, so we're getting there, but there's still a lot more left.